What happens when somebody dies without a will? This is something that comes up often where people have questions. Someone has passed away and they either can't find a will or there's none that exists. So the government in Alberta has set up a program that shows by legislation who inherits what. You'd have spouses, you'd have children, you have parents, and it all goes in order of how close they are to you in terms of a living relative. If someone has passed away, then they may not be entitled to anything, but there's not a lot of fighting. The government has set out the rules on who gets what. Now, by not having a will, you can't control when funds are released to minors. You can't control if charities were to get anything. You can't control who gets your little green teapot that you love so much. You also can't set provisions for guardians or whatnot. So it's really important to have a will. But the process in terms of probating an estate with no will is very similar to one that there is. So you don't have to worry about a much more complicated program. The paperwork is a little bit different, but very similar, and we can take care of it as lawyers to make sure that your application for probate, it's called a letter of administration, is done properly so that you can get on to administer the estate if you're the person who's taking that on. That's another Kahane Law Legal Minute. Thank you for watching. Don't forget, like our video, share our video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.